Hello everybody, welcome to my today's video where I'm going to be teaching you how to use your apostrophe when contracting words. I'm going to make it super easy for you. First of all, what is a contraction? A contraction is when we take two words and we squeeze them into one shorter word. We use an apostrophe to show that some letters are missing. For example, I am and am. I am and am. You are and you're. In I am, I contracted A and then squeezed I and M, separating it with an apostrophe. In you are, I contracted and I removed A and I squeezed together and just separate with an apostrophe. So simple. Also for they will, I contracted it and turned it to they'll. That is, I removed W and used an apostrophe. The apostrophe replaces the missing letter. Why do we use contractions? Contractions make speaking and writing faster and easier. Instead of saying, I am tired, I can just say, I'm tired. Cool, right? Now, how do we make this contraction? I'm going to be taking you through some steps on how to contract words, how to drop letters. It's going to be super simple, I promise you that. The first thing for you to do is to put an apostrophe. When two words are combined, drop some letters. After that, put an apostrophe where the letters are missing. For example, do not. We change to don't. The O in not is missing, so we add the apostrophe. And then we join everything together, say squeeze it together. Is, we'll change it to is. The I in is missing. Wow, that makes it so easy. Is. Now, these are some fun examples to try. I am, we change to I am. What do you think we removed? The A, very good. So instead of saying I am happy, I will just simply say I'm happy. You are, I think I'm going to remove the A, yes, and then it will change to you are. So instead of saying you are funny, I will just simply say you're funny. And for we will, what do you think I'm going to contract if you'll be following me? W for will, yes. You win. So instead of saying we will win, you just say we'll win. Be careful, sometimes we can get confused. So let me show you two common mistakes. It's and it. It's and it's. The first it have an apostrophe before the S, while the second doesn't have an apostrophe. This means the one with an apostrophe has been contracted and it simply means it is or it has. For example, it's a sunny day. It is a sunny day. The second one, it's without an apostrophe, shows something belongs to it. It's showing possession. No apostrophe, remember. Example is, the dog wagged its tail. The dog wagged its tail. Here, don't add apostrophes to plural words. Now, the cats are playing. Am I going to add an apostrophe to that? No, it's supposed to be the cats are playing, no apostrophe, just a plural word. A practice time. Let's try turning this into contraction. She is will chain 2. She's amazing. They are will chain 2. Yeah, that's amazing. I love that you're following me, and I will with chain 2. How? You know, she's is the answer, there is the answer, Al is the answer. That's it for today. Apostrophes and contractions are easy and fun. Now, go and practice with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!